Blackstone, founded in 1985 by the dynamic duo of Peter G. Peterson and Stephen A. Schwartzman, both of whom had cut their teeth working at Lehman Brothers, initially started as a mergers and acquisitions advisory business. Fast forward to today, and they are now the behemoth overseeing nearly $1 trillion in assets. At the core of Blackstone's success is its prowess in private equity and real estate. Blackstone's private equity division has been a major player in leveraged buyouts for over 3 decades, while its real estate arm has aggressively acquired commercial real estate properties. But what makes their real estate strategy truly captivating is their knack for buying assets below replacement cost. They're experts at spotting opportunities that typically arise during economic downturns when over-leveraged sellers are compelled to sell or when a particular sector is temporarily out of favor. In the world of Blackstone, the year 2008 was nothing short of a Goldilocks moment. It was the year when 3 pivotal events came together like a perfect symphony to boost their industrial real estate portfolio. First, the technological infrastructure that laid the groundwork for the e-commerce giant we know today was flourishing. Innovations like the iPhone and Facebook's like button were taking the world by storm. Not to mention, 3/4 of Americans were now connected to the internet, a game changer for the e-commerce industry. Second, Blackstone had just gone public in 2007, raising a staggering $4.2 billion, marking one of the largest IPOs at that time. This newfound war chest would prove instrumental. Third, the infamous Lehman Brothers collapse had frozen the credit markets, forcing cash-strapped property owners to offload their assets at significant discounts. Real estate prices plummeted by nearly 30% across the board. Blackstone seized this opportunity, deploying their freshly acquired capital to scoop up industrial properties. Between 2010 and 2011, they invested $2 billion in acquiring 275 properties, totaling over 45 million square feet. Companies like Prologis and Exeter Property Group were among their prey. These assets were masterfully consolidated into a company named InCorp Properties. By the end of 2011, InCorp had emerged as a heavyweight in the warehouse game, boasting one of the largest portfolios in the United States. It was on par with the top publicly traded REITs in the sector. But Blackstone's ambitions didn't stop there. By the close of 2014, InCorp had completed a whopping 18 transactions, catapulting its portfolio to over 117 million square feet. The company was now a landlord to a staggering 3,500 different tenants, operating in 36 markets across the United States. And the cherry on top, rents in their portfolio had surged by an impressive 31% since its inception. InCorp had unquestionably become a resounding success story. As 2014 rolled around, the stock market had largely recovered from the 2008 crisis. Capital started flowing back into real estate as the economy regained momentum, and the demand for logistics assets soared. Blackstone's original plan to take InCorp public took an unexpected turn when Singapore's sovereign wealth fund GIC and its affiliate, GLP, came knocking on their door. In December 2014, it was announced that the group would acquire InCorp for a staggering $8.1 billion. With InCorp's undeniable success, Blackstone had cracked the code for building a flourishing industrial real estate empire. But Blackstone's global ambitions didn't stop at U.S. borders. They took their winning formula across the Atlantic and established Logicor, a venture that would go on to acquire over 600 properties spanning 17 countries, with a combined total of 147 million square feet. It's safe to say that Blackstone's journey from Wall Street bankers to real estate titans is an inspiring tale of seizing opportunities, astute strategy, and bold moves that have reshaped the real estate landscape on a global scale. Their ability to spot opportunities in adversity, combined with strategic vision, has propelled Blackstone to the forefront of the real estate industry. Their story serves as a testament to what can be achieved through determination, vision, and seizing the right opportunities at the right time. Blackstone's rise to prominence in the world of real estate is a testament to the power of strategic vision, seizing opportunities, and making bold moves. So, next time you see one of those towering industrial warehouses, remember that there's more to the story than meets the eye. It's a symbol of a company that transformed itself from a humble mergers and acquisitions firm into a global real estate powerhouse, one strategic move at a time. Back in 2017, Blackstone's real estate journey took a significant leap. They had already conquered the US market, and now they set their sights on Europe. Logicor, their European venture, made waves when it was sold to China Investment Corp for a staggering $14 billion, marking the largest real estate transaction in Europe. But the story doesn't end there. Blackstone wasn't done. They bought back 10% of the company and continued to manage the portfolio, proving their commitment to this burgeoning market. With Logicor and InCorp properties out of the way, Blackstone turned its attention to logistics. Between 2016 and 2021, they embarked on a buying spree, acquiring either partial or entire portfolios from companies like LBA Logistics, Cabot Properties, and Gramercy Property Trust, amassing an impressive $40 billion in assets. But the real game changer came in 2019 when Blackstone acquired the U.S. portfolio of global logistics properties for a jaw-dropping $18 billion. This monumental deal added a whopping 179 million square feet to Blackstone's asset base, nearly doubling its U.S. industrial footprint. These properties were consolidated into Blackstone's nationwide logistics platform, aptly named Link Industrial, which was formed in 2016. Link Industrial is now a logistics powerhouse, boasting over 3,000 properties spanning more than 400 million square feet across the United States. This places Blackstone ahead of several publicly traded real estate investment trusts in the sector, solidifying its position as a major player in the logistics real estate market. Blackstone's international expansion was gaining momentum during this time. In 2018, they made a significant move by acquiring the Canada-listed Pure Industrial REIT for $2 billion. Today, Pure's portfolio includes over 200 properties spanning more than 27 million square feet and is a key player in the Golden Horseshoe, Canada's manufacturing heartland. In 2019, Blackstone launched Mile Way to consolidate all its European assets under one roof. Mile Way currently owns and manages over 1,700 properties spanning 120 million square feet, making it the largest owner of last-mile logistics real estate in Europe. Around the same time, Blackstone ventured into China with DragonCore. Over the past 4 years, DragonCore has acquired 18 properties, totaling more than 40 million square feet, making it one of the top 5 largest owners of logistic assets in the country. In January 2022, Blackstone made its presence known in India with the launch of Horizon Industrial Parks. The company consolidated 16 properties spanning 24 million square feet and plans to double its size over the next 2 years. Altogether, Blackstone has acquired over 1 billion square feet of logistics real estate in the past decade, with a total value exceeding $70 billion. The company's ability to strategically seize opportunities while staying true to its long-term convictions has not only earned it a prominent spot in the industry, but also makes it a remarkable case study for building and scaling a real estate platform. Blackstone's journey from its humble beginnings to becoming a global real estate conglomerate is a testament to the power of smart investments, strategic acquisitions, and unwavering dedication. It's a remarkable story of how one company managed to navigate the ever-evolving real estate market, and emerge as a dominant force. So next time you see those massive logistics properties, remember there's more to the story than meets the eye. They are a symbol of Blackstone's unwavering commitment to reshaping the real estate industry on a global scale. Remember to show your love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and staying tuned for more.